Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, German for Beginners. If in English we have the WH questions like who, where, what, when, we also have those questions in German, and we call them die W-Fragen. So, let's begin. Hier sind die W-Fragen auf Deutsch. Wer, who, wie, how, was, what, wo, where, wann, when, warum, why. Now here are the sample questions for this W-Fragen. Wer bist du? Oder wer sind Sie? Who are you? Wer hat die Blumen gebracht? Who brought the flowers? Wer möchte mit mir kochen? Who wants to cook with me? We also have for the wie or how. Wie geht es dir? How are you? Wie alt bist du? How old are you? Wie viel kostet das? How much is it? Wie viele Schuhe hast du? How many shoes do you have? Und wie heißen Sie? What is your name? If you're going to literally translate wie heißen Sie to English, it will be like, how are you called? So it's basically the same as asking, what is your name? So if you're being asked, wie heißen Sie oder wie ist der Name? That would mean you're being asked, what is your name? Okay, so we also have examples for was or what. Was machst du? What are you doing? Was möchtest du essen? What do you want to eat? Was machst du beruflich? What do you do for a living? Was meinst du? What do you think? And we also have for wo or where. So German is a bit specific, so if you're gonna ask someone where from in German, you will have to use woher. And if you're gonna ask someone where is she going or where is he going, we will have to use wohin. So let's go to sample questions. For wo zum Beispiel, wo bist du? Or where are you? And then here are the sample answers for the question. Ich bin im Supermarkt. I am at the supermarket. Ich bin zu Hause. I'm at home. Ich bin beim Arzt. I'm at the doctor. And for woher or where from, again, it's a movement from point A to point B, but we're more like curious where the person came from or where is the starting point. So zum Beispiel, we have a question, woher kommst du? Or we can put her at the end of the question too. Wo kommst du her? Where are you from? And sample answers would be, ich komme vom Supermarkt. I come from the supermarket. Ich komme aus Spanien. I come from Spain. And for wohin or where to, it's also a movement from one point to another, but we're more like curious where the person is going to, or where is his or her direction. So zum Beispiel, if you want to know where your friend is going, you can say, wohin gehst du? Oder wo gehst du hin? Both have the same meaning. So in English, that's where are you going? And sample answers would be, ich gehe zum Supermarkt. I'm going to the supermarket. Ich gehe nach Hause. I'm going home. So that's the difference among wo, woher, and wohin. And we use different prepositions according to what the question is. There's dative, there's accusative, but I haven't touched the topic yet, so I will be discussing them in the later videos that will be uploaded. And we also have examples for when. Wann ist die Party? When is a party? Wann fliegst du nach Italien? When are you flying to Italy? And we also have for why oder warum. Warum bist du hier? Why are you here? Warum bist du spät? Why are you late? So there you go, those are the W-Fragen auf Deutsch. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!